Welcome to 60-Second Tips with Sicoli. This week's tip, how to stay cool when your air conditioning's broken. The first thing you can do is you can use a fan. I don't have one, so I'm going to use my Vanity Fair. It does the trick. After a while, your hand will get sore from using it too much. The second thing that you can do is you can use a Avene thermal spray, which is essentially spring water in a can. You already feel the coolness. And the third thing that I really use to keep me cool is I fill a bowl of water and